If your hosting a site is still showing the coming soon page, don't worry, this is one of the easiest things to fix, and in this video I'll walk you through it step by step. We're going to remove the hosting a coming soon page, replace it with your real website content, and make sure your site is ready for visitors. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick website tips and beginner-friendly walkthroughs. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the website section. This is where all of your hosted sites are listed. Find the website you want to edit, then click Edit Website. Hostinger will take you into the site editor, where you can start changing the default placeholder content. The Coming Soon page usually appears when your site is still using the default landing page or hasn't been replaced with your actual website yet. So the next step is to swap out that placeholder content with your real pages, text, images, and branding. Depending on how your website is set up, you might need to edit the homepage, remove a temporary landing page, or publish the correct version of your site. Take a moment to check the main sections and make sure everything looks like your actual website, not the default Coming Soon screen. If you see any placeholder text, temporary images, or a launch page message, replace it with your real content. This is also a good time to confirm that your navigation, logo, and homepage layout are all set up properly. Once you've made the changes, look for the Update or Publish button. This is the step that actually pushes your changes live. Click Update or Publish so Hostinger can save your edits and display your real website to the public. After publishing, open your website in a new tab and refresh it to confirm the Coming Soon page is gone. If it still appears, give it a minute and try clearing your browser cache or checking the correct domain is connected to the right site. In some cases, the old page can still show briefly while updates are processing, so a quick refresh usually fixes it. And that's it. Once you log in, go to Websites, click Edit Website, replace the placeholder content, and publish your changes. Your Hostinger Coming Soon page should be removed. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.